Hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to make this baked brie with apples, a delicious dessert or an appetizer. Cheesy and sweet. What could be better than that? So we're going to start by taking 8 ounces of brie cheese wheel and we're going to place it on a small baking dish with parchment paper on. It's very important that there's parchment paper on it. Then I'm just gonna place it up and we're going to bake the cheese in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. So now, while the brie is baking, we're going to get a small bowl and I'm going to chop 2 apples just like that. We're going to want to core them first and then chop them up, add them into the bowl. I'm then going to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, then half a teaspoon of cinnamon, then 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and then I'm taking half a lemon and just squeezing all that fresh juice out of it, covering all of the ingredients. We now want to combine all of the ingredients in a bowl, making sure that the lemon juice covers the apples, and we want to put this away for about 5 minutes so that the apples release the juice. So now I'm going to heat up my pan to high heat and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using unsalted butter here, and we want to then add in our chopped apples, but we want to make sure that we're not adding the juice, so leave the juice in the bowl. We're going to use it later. I'm going to cook my apples on high heat for about 7 minutes. Mix them up, make sure you're looking at them. Let those apples brown up, don't be afraid of it. We want them caramelized a little bit. Now we're going to remove the apples from the pan once they're finished, and we're going to place them back into the bowl where we had our juices in, and I'm going to immediately cover them with 2 tablespoons of honey, so the honey will caramelize over the apples, and that's a very important bit, so make sure you do it immediately while they're hot. We're going to mix all of the ingredients together very well. So about now the brie is going to be baked. I'm going to use a flat spatula to carefully transfer the brie onto the center of the plate. I'm also transferring all the melted cheese because it tastes just as good. Just place it all around the cheese wheel on the plate. Now we're going to top up our cheese with apples. I'm putting them on top and then all around them for beauty purposes. We want this plate to look beautiful. And finally, I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup of walnuts, chop them up and just sprinkle them all around the plate. This is it. Dig in. This baked brie with apples is sweet, cheesy, yummy. You can just have it straight from the plate or cut it and transfer it around to other people. Just enjoy it. It's truly a holiday-ish, winterish, fallish dessert everyone will love. For full recipe, go to allnutritious.com. Please like and subscribe to this video. Bye bye.